give to me what life should be for everyone. You're my pepper, you're my salt, my favorite tea. You're my sunset on the ocean, my desert dawn. So much of you is now a part of me. I know a greater power must have noticed me and decided I would need someone like you. No one on this planet thought we could ever be, till he gave my heart to you and yours to me. You've given us our children and a recipe for you. Undying love comes naturally. My love is somehow different than I'd have it be.